Hey, what's going on, guys? Manufacturer sent me this workout set for free so I could check it out and let you know what I think about it. First thoughts, let you know this is like a very, very high quality, heavy duty set. I'm really impressed. Just if you take a look up close, you can see how thick and durable this rope is. Like, I can't believe it. And then you can see the carabiners on here. They're super heavy duty. All the mounting hardware, the brackets, everything that comes with the set is extremely heavy duty. So really impressed with that. Setup on it, it took me just a second to kind of figure out what all the pieces were. But once I figured that out, the setup was really easy. And what I really love about it is that you don't actually have to like mount it or screw it into your doorway or things like that. I know I've had lots of other sets in the past that had to go in the doorway. This one comes with different pulleys. Comes with a couple different pulleys that you can use to set up. What I did was actually, I'm down in my basement. I actually just used a piece of rebar that I got from a hardware store and just a couple of these mounting brackets to hold it up to right on my floor joist here. And then all I did was they come with these two different straps. You see this strap and that strap. So it comes with both of those. I just took and wrapped it around the rebar, put a carabiner on it to hold them together, put my pulley on here that they sent me, and then it comes with this nice heavy duty cable and kind of the same thing. Just simply put the carabiner on and have your cable run through and then hook up your weights there. So you can see, I'll show you on this set, super easy with the pulley system. I mean, that's to put your weights on it. So you can easily get a good workout. It's extremely versatile. What this part is down here, because I wasn't sure what these things were either at first, but this is where you'll actually put your weights. So you can see it has two different sections here. It has the slim part up here, so that's for weights that have smaller holes, and then more like your Olympic barbell type size weights that you could use to fit down here. And then it also has these clamps, so you slide your weights down and then you put the clamp down tight to it, and then you just snap it shut. And what that's going to do is to keep your weights from bouncing. And then the same thing, you have the smaller version up there too. So that's really cool. I love that. Um, I did kind of just put all of the handles and pieces on here right now. Again, this is very versatile, so you get a wide range of things you can do. The handles on here, these rubber grips, are very, very comfortable. I love those. They feel nice to hold. And the nylon is very strong and heavy duty. Um, and then on the other end, I put on here, again, this isn't a full setup. It's just so I can show you everything. It comes with this bar here. And what I like about this is that it has this free spinning part here. So if you've ever been working out and have something that's not free spinning, you'll know like it'll get like your hands all bunched up or tangled up and you have to kind of set and reposition it. This one, as you work out, it rotates with your hand. So you don't get kind of like the burns or rubs in your hand. So I love that about it. And again, this also feels heavy duty. So overall, guys, I want to say like I think this is a really, really amazing set. Very high quality, very versatile, easy to set up, and I definitely am happy they sent it to me, and I do recommend it.